Hello everyone, what's happening, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. A little bit random, but remember last time I said Mr. Lee was here and he brought me some lights? Well, it's this. What this is a puddle light for a Hyundai. Now, my wife has a Hyundai, so these are puddle lights that aren't connected to the car in any way. So what they are is a little box with a lens on it. If you turn it on, it actually gives the sign. It has a little magnet, and as you can see, it's on now. And then this is a little magnet that comes with in the box. So there's two of these, one for the left door and one for the right door. They are not side specific, so they look the same. This is the magnet. So when you need to put the magnet on in the dorsal or something, and then once the door closes, it turns off. Once the magnet is underneath, open the door, it goes on. Close the door, it goes off. Now, the problem with this is where do you put this? So we have a dorsal over here. What I'm actually thinking is lifting up this door thing and seeing if I can put it underneath. If I can put it underneath, we're golden. We're golden. Because is the magnet strong enough to reach? I already put it on here with a small piece of tape just to see if it works. It does work with it on top of the plastic. I want to see if it works underneath the plastic. If so, I just have to put it under the sill and then stick the thing on the door. Simple. Fairly simple. First of all, I just want to line it up. So the crappy part is you gotta kind of do this inside the car. So yeah, no, sorry guys, this you're along with the journey. I haven't tried this, that's why it took me so long to do this. But I'm gonna kind of make like I'm putting it on the door. So you can now see now it's kind of on, and then when you get over the magnet, it shuts off. I also want to see where I can put this because the door rounds off on the corner. I need to put it on a flat spot. I think that's about as flat as I can get it. And then I have to line up where I have to put the magnet. So we can just, I think I'm going to put it on the door first. Because no matter what, it has to go on the door. So I think I'll put it on the door first and then figure out where I have to put the magnet. Okay, so far there's two-sided tape for the back of the thingy. You can see it's like the right shape. And then in the middle it has two-sided tape for the magnet, which I didn't see previously. But I also have to put the magnet somewhere. It looks like I'm gonna have to put the magnet over the plastic, but I would like to put it underneath the plastic. So let's see if it works. There's the plastic now off from the side here, and I'm pretty sure I need to put it there, but I'm gonna see if putting it underneath will make it turn off. It probably won't because the magnet's not that strong, but if it does, it'd be so cool. So I need to just stick it in the plastic which is underneath the plastic. As the door closes, it should pick it up. Let's see, because this is going away from the light. So what I'm going to do is I'm put this on the door first, because it needs to be as low on the door as possible. It's going to look jank afterwards, but it's for the looks. For the looks. So right now there's a flat part of the door, and I'm literally going to make it as low as possible because I know already it passes the door there. There you go. Underneath it, you'll see this spot over here. That's where the magnet needs to go over for it to switch off. That's the spot. So that's the spot I'm aiming for. Here's a nasty tape. Okay, so let's put it on and then see. From there you can kind of see it on. Shut off. Okay, so that's where it's stuck now. Let's get rid of all this. And now it's on as the door is open. Let's just close it. It should switch off. There you go. It's off. And let me tell you, it can't be any further away. It's like literally as close as I can get it. The cap is a bit big, but it works perfectly. And there you go. So there you go. That was, yes, it took a lot of trial and error because you have to line it up, and because once you stick it, that's it. You don't want to second try two-sided tape. Once it's on, it's on. You don't pull it off and put it back on again. New two-sided tape. It's on now and it works. The major worry with me was that it wasn't going to line up, and it doesn't really. The inside of the door panel goes further back than the bottom of the sill, but it's like really like on its edge. Like if the door panel was any wider, this wouldn't have worked. So it looks really cool. I like it. Wife's gonna like it. Gonna look real cool at night. But yeah, thank you for watching. That's how you install it. Sorry it was a little bit longer than I was hoping for, but it's trial and error with these sort of things. The first time I'm doing it, you work kind of with me. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe down below for more how-tos and shenanigans. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye.